On the back of better than expected inflation figures, political leaders are now urging the big banks to start cutting interest rates even before the Reserve Bank moves. Mortgage holders could be saving hundreds of dollars a month with just a couple of rate reductions.
Celebrating Medicare's 40th birthday. As celebrations over yesterday's inflation nosedive turn to questions about when interest rates should fall too.
The Reserve Bank of Australia are an independent body and the government doesn't direct them.
Though he'd earlier revealed his preference.
I, of course, would like to see cuts to interest rates.
Economists are now predicting 2 and possibly 3 rate cuts this year. On a $600,000 mortgage, 2 25 basis point cuts would save $200 a month. The Queensland Premier sticking his neck out, demanding the Reserve Bank cut soon and the retail banks do it now.
There is no rule that says the banks can't cut rates in advance of the RBA.
The 1.3% fall in inflation to 4.1 spurred the stock market to a record high, falling back today, but still good news for self-funded retirees.
My super depends on that, so it's very good.
Our share portfolio has been going down like everyone else's, so very pleased.
But the effects of 13 interest rate rises are still being felt, particularly in retail, with consumer confidence at a record low. Even cut-price retailers like Circonomy, selling refurbished furniture, clothes and household goods, are noticing the change in consumer behaviour.
They're really trying to ensure that the dollar is going further and they're spending a lot more time shopping around.
The retailers' wish from next week's Reserve Bank meeting?
Return some love during that Valentine's period and actually cut interest rates.
Wanting the cash registers to start singing again. And with the reworked Stage 3 tax cuts going before Parliament next week, I can reveal that the Coalition is planning tonight not to vote against them, not wanting to stand in the way of cost of living relief for Middle Australia and effectively dealing the Greens out, ensuring they can't leverage their casting votes to force even more changes. Shadow ministers are promising, though, to launch a full-scale attack on Anthony Albanese over his broken promise. And I'm told the Coalition will announce its formal position after its party room meetings early next week. Mark.
OK, Mark Riley with the latest from Parliament House.